Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing the parking lot. I decided to get to games like other than Roblox. Like I found this on itch.io and I decided to give it a try. So I hope you guys like it. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel over here. Currently we reached 100. Like I thank you all for that. Like I'm actually very happy. But like maybe face reveal like around 500 subs. Like I promise this time. Like for real. But let's get into the game. So this game is very scary. But like it's about like I lost my car. Where's my car? Oh, it's over there. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Bro, like, oh, this is actually the atmosphere is like one of my first games. Like, not here. So like on Roblox, like it's the atmosphere. Like isn't that like hard? But like, I wouldn't say it's not that scary on Roblox. For me, it's very scary on these type of games. So like it's my first time seeing it. Oh, right over here. Bro, where's my car? Like, why do they just keep beeping like everywhere? Like, I need my car, bro. Bro, who's messing with me, bro? Like, I just want my car, bro. Like, what's wrong with you? I just want my car. Like, bro, would you ever instantly take my car? I don't like you, bro. Like, you don't gotta do this to me. I just wanted my car, bro. Like, literally, why are you doing this to me, huh? Like, just why, huh? Oh my god, who's there, bro? I don't want to walk towards it. You already know what's gonna happen. Oh my god. This isn't funny, bro. Where's my car? I need to get the heck out of here. Chill, bro. Like, you can't find your car. I thought you'd be more mad, but like, I guess it's not good. That's true. I guess, like, we're lucky. We're almost. When we turn on power, that's the power source of the game. Oh wait, this chick over here exploring. Oh wait, this is an exit. It's gonna open up. I guarantee it. There's no way it doesn't. It's like at one point, it's gonna be like when you open up the tire, there's gonna be some guys jump screen. Like, it's gonna be, yeah, the elevator just might work, but like, I don't know. Let's try it. By the way, what do you guys want to make next? Like, just tell me a game and I'll make it. Like, hopefully, next year. Oh, man. Oh, why are you guys moving? Why are you moving? All the kids are doing what I had to do. Yeah, I think there's something wrong with this place. Like, I mean, that's obvious, but like, why are all these cars moving? Like, these are the people who are fighting the cars. They have to like park it close to the station, right? Okay. Like, stop moving your car, bro. I know, like, you lost your car. I can't find my car also. I might just be one of you guys, but like, no, don't. Bro. Okay. Like, literally, you're not funny, bro. Why are you doing this to me, bro? Like, why? Guess what? Okay. Is that the? Oh wait, let's go check out that place. Just check. Oh my god, this game is like, it's simplistic, but like, I just like the feel is just like really weird. Like, it kind of predicted that was gonna happen, almost. Like, exactly. And it's actually opened up. Okay. I like if it just randomly opened up. I don't know like if I will go here, but like, so what's your only way? I believe. Why is this area so big? Okay. My car. Is that my car? Is that my car? Okay. That was the parking lot for you guys. Pretty decently scary game actually, for me at least. But like next time I'll make a another video. Just tell me in the comment section down below like what video I should make next. I'll upload one tomorrow. Maybe I'll find it by myself, but like Who knows? Just tell me what to make next. I don't be Roblox or Minecraft. I don't care. I will make the video for you guys. Um, see ya guys though. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys.